Yey, ngihleli nje ngikhumbula le movie primary. Lokho abasakubuta. What do you wanna be when you grow up? Okay, lesingisi was a bit slower than this one because lesibuta sithola le kubo Sydney Williams kuphela. Bebangibita ngencozi ke bengimnyama, uyabo. Yencozi nabakhumbulile ke bathi lishaba, uyabona. Umuntu ke abeyaye asho lokhu umkhulisile, uyabo. Kudalwa liphoyisa. Force number 1674. The late Lawrence Dumisani Lishaba bayamathi ke bomasa. The late Vusi Masuku, uyabona. Former Real Leopard boss. Mxolisi Dlamini. Retired. Anyways, buya ke usho lokho ke wena lokho ukukhulisile. I want to be a police. Phela bongafuni lokuthi bese bakubita ama questions usuyakhohlwa nokuthi. So there is this another nigga. Washo something that blew my mind. I want to be a pilot. I've never heard such. Okay, iminyaka ke iyahamba years after ngiyahluleka nanami lokuba ngileli phoyisa ke. Sengingena e-studio doing the radio commercials that I'm doing. Ngikhanza ke lo mjidalo wathi ufuna ba yipilot ungumrapper. Labo mrapper ngiyabakhila nale beat mina ngiyayifila nale sweet mina ngiyasiba ngathi physics. I-physics ayidlali. Ngiyakutshela abengathi kutawufuneka i-physics, speed, distance over time. Yabona, adatishe nabo altitude ka-geography. Suka